Hello guys, welcome to Lolo's Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to be making coconut ice cream. As you can see in the video, our coconut is well sliced, nice and okay. As you can see, I slice my coconut tiny so that my brother will not get where I love blending it. You know that coconut is a bit strong. So as you can see in this video, when you want to blend your coconut, you have to make sure that it is tiny slicing. So as you can see in this video, I transfer the coconut into my blender. After transferring it, I go in with water. I added the water thoroughly, and then I added enough I can tolerate because I don't want the water to overpower the coconut juice that will come out inside. So I took it to my blender and I blend until it is well smooth. Then I transfer it to my strainer. Then I begin to strain it out. I need the juice. So the next thing I do, I notice that the spatula I hold in my hand will not take away the excess juice there. So I need to use my hand to squish it thoroughly. I squish the hair out of this coconut because I need the water. I need the water. And this ice cream was so creamy. It was so creamy and it was so nice. It tastes like the one we normally buy outside when we want to buy ice cream. It was so creamy. So as you can see, we are finished trimming out the juice inside. Then the next thing we are going to do is to filter it the second time. I filter mine two times because I don't need the excess shelf there. So the next thing I do, I bring out my ingredient that is going to make the coconut ice cream to be extraordinary. So what I do next, I added a spoon of sugar first. I added 1 spoon of sugar first. As you can see, I mix until the sugar is well dissolved inside. Then the next thing I do, I go in with my heavy whipping cream. You can use the powder one. So I go in with my heavy whipping cream. I added it inside. Then the next thing I do, I mix again so that the heavy whipping cream and the sugar they can be able to mix and combine together. Then after that, the next thing I added was my condensed milk, or I added vanilla essence first before the condensed milk. So I go in with my vanilla flavor. You can add it, you can use the powder one. Then after that, the next thing I added was my condensed milk. This is my leftover condensed milk I use in my the another ice cream I make because I don't like to use everything. I like to use lemon. So I added the remaining condensed milk inside. Then after adding the condensed milk, I make sure that I scrape out the excess condensed milk that remained there. Then after that, the next thing I do, I mix and combine everything together. The condensed milk, the sugar, the heavy whipping cream, and the vanilla essence. This is the four ingredients you need in your ice cream. Trust me, your ice cream is will be delicious. It will be amazing. You see this coconut ice cream. It tastes so creamy. It tastes so amazing. This is my first time making coconut ice cream and it came out so perfect, guys. When I say perfect, it came out so perfect. Then after enough mixing, I tested if the things I added was okay, guys. Trust me, it was amazing. So what I do next, I transfer it into my popsicle ice cream, guys. This is where the magic started. I transfer them into my popsicle ice cream. So guys, if today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Why don't you like, follow, share, subscribe, and also drop your beautiful and amazing comment? So this is me, Lulu Sketchy, where we cook, we bake, we share some things we do in this video. We show up our lifestyle, what we eat in a day, how we go, and how our exercise is also going. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and always hit the bell icon so that you can always see my video whenever I drop it. Yes. So as you can see, I've already filled the popsicle rubber, fill it with the ice cream. So what I do next is to put the popsicle stick inside. I added the popsicle stick inside gently, guys. When I say this ice cream tastes so amazing, it was amazing. You see this coconut ice cream, I could not resist it because how sweet it is. It was so yummy, it was so creamy. It looked like exactly the ice cream we normally buy in the ice cream shop. It tastes so amazing. As you can see, we are going to put it into the fridge, allow it to block overnight. Yes, that's where you enjoy it. So I allow mine to block overnight. After that, after the next day, I bring it out. Our ice cream is ready. Our coconut ice cream is ready. Are you going to give this coconut ice cream a try? Try it. Your kids will love it. And you never regret making this coconut ice cream. It tastes so creamy, so juicy, and so yummy. You will like this coconut ice cream when you try it. As you can see, our coconut ice cream is ready. Don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share, and don't forget to also hit the bell icon so that you can be able to get notified whenever I post my video. Remain blessed and stay tuned. This is me, Lolo's Kitchen.